3, 4. Nobody's perfect. I never work it. Won't change anything in my life. I won't change anything in my life. B to the B to the H-I-E. I'm trying to break the chains, but the chains only break me.
So this event is a singing competition between all the sororities in order to raise money for our philanthropy, JDRF, which is the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation. So basically, that's just like any children diagnosed with type 1, type 2 diabetes have live with that every day and have them raise money for a cure.
When you're ready, come and get it. Na, 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 na.
We're still raising money through t-shirt sales, but from tickets we've raised close to $5,000.
Let me hear it one more time.
Winning's calculated based on you have song choice, appearance, their vocals, and one of the biggest factors is like attendance. So we really want people to come out. We really want people to so we can raise money for our cause. So attendance, they get a point for every single person they bring out.
Now my heart feels heavy. I feel light, shake all over, but I feel alright. I never felt like this before. Something's got a hold on me that won't let go.
Sound of Milledge gets better and better every year. Come out next year if you missed it this year. It's going to be a great time. We're trying to keep it growing until it just becomes like a regular thing on campus every year.
Love, money, party. I go through guys like money flying out the hand. They try to change me, but they realize they can't. All you ever did was let me, let you let me. Like a skyscraper, like a skyscraper. Who says I'm not beautiful? Who says?
In first place, with a score of 270 points, and I promise not to Steve Harvey on this one. Give him a 5 beta!
How do you points, but we won.
How do you feel about that?
Super excited.
Incredible. It's been 4 years in the making, and we finally came in
Hold it out.
first.
Can I get a hell no? 'Cause we're gonna go